Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily set an alert on TradingView platform. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in TradingView, you want to go to top right and click on this clock here, right, on alerts. When you're going to do it, you want to click on a create alert. Right, then when you have it, you can have the condition here, Apple or volume. Then you have option to choose between crossing up, like inside channel moving up or moving down, or cruising. You get really option which one you can choose, like for the alert. It's completely up to you what you want to do and what you want to have like be alerted on. Then when the value is going to be let's say I can have it like 150. So when the value of Apple is going to be greater than 150, I'm going to be every time or only once notified, alerted. Expiration time, let's say to 31st of August. You can have like open-ended if you want to. And now you have alert actions. You can be notified on the application. You can show a pop-up. You can send an email, webhook URL, or play a sound also. And then like alert name, greater than 150, then sell and create. And this is pretty much it how we do it. And you can see also the line here. So Apple, when it's going to be greater than 150, I'm able to sell it, right? So, and you can simply edit it if you want. You can stop it or just like make it active again. So that's something what you can do, and this is pretty much it how you can create alert in TradingView platform. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.